Praise be Jesus Christ to all the pilgrims on the journey to God. Dear young people, this impermanent world offers plenty that pleases our senses. We must go beyond this sensual world. We are made for much greater things. We can be in the world, but this world and all that offers need not play an upper hand. Keep the heart open to all that is holy. Today, we are going to listen to the story of young Venerable Carlo Acutis. 15-year-old Carlo Acutis, the young Italian who made an online catalogue of all the Eucharistic miracles in the world, while passionately living out his Catholic faith, was beatified on the 10th October 2020 in Assisi, Italy, where he is currently buried. Carlo was born in London on 3rd May 1991, grew up in Milan, Italy. He is the tech teen who fell in love with Jesus. This young boy is already known by many names: patron of youth, students, internet and computer programmers, and apostle of Eucharist. He is a boy of our time, a boy of the internet age, and a model of holiness of the digital age, as Pope Francis presented him in his letter to young people around the world. Carlo's interest ranged from computer programming to film editing to website creation. Carlo indeed had a real gift for working with technology. He knew how to use the new communication technology to transmit the gospel, to communicate values and beauty. He designed and built on the web an exhibition of Eucharistic miracles, which is still being seen around the world. Carlo was a leader, charismatic and friendly. It was easy to become his friend. His attitude and his words left a mark on those who met him. He was always there for everyone, for homework or for advice, for his classmates and for the poor. As a child, he stood out for his joy, generosity, and great love for God. He never missed his commitment to pray the rosary, attend daily mass, and Eucharistic adoration. This is what truly drove his life and his spirituality. As we watch and listen to the innumerable videos and his life story, we begin to believe and feel that heaven has come very close to us. If he, such a young boy, succeeded to love and live for Jesus so totally, we too can. In his short life, he has shared some thoughts which is very inspiring and valuable for our journey. A boy who really believed and lived the promises of Jesus. For Jesus says, "He who abides in me, I will abide in him." Carlos says, to be united always with Jesus. That is my program of life. And he spoke this at the age of 11. Again, he says, our soul is like a hot air balloon. If by chance, if there is a mortal sin, the soul falls on the ground. Confession is like the fire underneath the balloon, enabling the soul to rise again. It is important to go for confession often. Again he says, sadness is looking at ourselves, but happiness is looking towards God, towards heaven. Again, the only thing we have to ask God for in prayer is have the desire to be holy. His famous saying is, the Eucharist is my highway to heaven. He says, I am happy to die because I have lived my life without wasting a minute on those things which do not please God. Again he says, the more Eucharist we receive, the more we become like Jesus. Once he said, Mary is the only woman in my life. He says, our aim has to be the infinite, not the finite. The infinite is our homeland, and we are always expected in heaven. Carlo died on October the 12th, 2006, at the age of 15 from aggressive leukemia. He offered his illness and his pains for the Pope and the Church. May the Lord lead us on the path of holiness. Praise you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.